Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with LexisNexis for comprehensive research step by step clearly. Visit the LexisNexis website. Locate the Sign In button at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the Sign In button. If you have an existing account, enter your username and password. If you need to create a new account, find the option to register or create account. Click on that option and fill out the necessary information. This may include your name, email address, and institutional affiliation. Follow the prompts to complete your registration. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the main dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the search bar at the center of the page. Enter the keywords related to your research topic into the search bar. Select the appropriate filters to narrow down your results. You can filter by publication type, jurisdiction, or date. After applying your filters, click on the Search button. Review the search results displayed on the screen. If needed, refine your search by adjusting the filters or keywords. Select a specific article or document by clicking on its title. The selected document will open for you to read or download. Take notes on key sections relevant to your research. Use the citation tools available if you need to reference any documents. To save documents for later, look for a Save option, often represented by a bookmark icon. If you need further assistance, explore the Help section on the website. You can also connect with customer support through chat or email. Utilize additional features like alerts and newsletters for ongoing research updates. After gathering all necessary information, log out of your account. Ensure all your notes and documents are well organized for future reference. This concludes the step-by-step process for connecting with LexisNexis for comprehensive research. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.